their children, their parents, and the people of Kyrgyzstan. This year we celebrate the International Children's Day under exceptional circumstances. So my very first words will be to thank all those who continue to work non-stop during the quarantine in order to provide services to children and their families and to ensure the safety of all citizens. Health personnel, teachers, social pedagogues, social workers, and many more. To all of you, thank you. 2020 was declared by His Excellency President Jeenbekov as the year of regional development, digitalization, and child support. In the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, it is of paramount importance that children's well-being continues to be a key priority for all of us. This will only be possible if we all respect basic safe measures. Washing our hands regularly, respecting physical distance, and following public health measures recommended by the government, based on WHO's guidance. UNICEF will continue to support the government of Kyrgyzstan and civil society to ensure that children develop and thrive and feel protected despite the pandemic everywhere, every time. As we mark the International Day of Children, the Children's Summit that we are holding today will give us the opportunity to hear children and adolescents' views and expectations. I encourage everyone to listen very well to better understand how they reimagine a country fit for every child. The lockdown period has also provided an opportunity for parents and caregivers to strengthen their ties with their children. However, this situation has also led to frustration and in some cases to situations of violence. Even before COVID-19 hit the country, we know that 3 out of 4 children experience some form of violence at home, which is very damaging for their development. This is why last year UNICEF supported the Tumar campaign, organized under the auspices of the President of the Kyrgyz Republic to combat all forms of violence against children. As a result, over 10,000 people have signed a petition showing their support to the ban of corporal punishment in all settings. Children and adolescents dream of a Kyrgyzstan free of violence. Let's hear their voice as they are ready to help us to make this dream come true. Those suffering the most from violence are often girls and children from vulnerable groups. Together with the government and through the Spotlight initiative funded by the European Union, we are working to ensure that gender-based violence is prevented so that no more girls are subject to violence and to child marriage. During the Children's Summit, I hope that we will also get children and adolescents' perspective on how to end these practices in their communities. By listening to children and adolescents, we are acknowledging that they are part of the solution. Baldar jana özpüründür, ülkübüzdün keleçigiyemiz, uçuru ekendigin unutpayli. Bayrunuz darde, mayramunuz darmenen, kutuktaymi.